Hello and welcome back, everybody. We're in Newcastle, Pennsylvania today, checking out Cascade Park. It's a little different than what I thought it would be. So this place was built in 1897 and ran all the way through to 1982, I believe it was. And at that point, you know, there had been a couple accidents in the park. One in 1927 when two riders got flung out of one of the roller coaster cars, and you know, just due to a general lack of maintenance and lack of safety, they kind of shut this place down. It was too expensive to repair, but both my mom and dad have a lot of memories here, which is cool. Apparently there's some old structures, an old pool, some old remnants of the roller coaster, possibly the roller coaster cars. So we're gonna see if we can find those today. Other parts of the park have been renovated, and you can kind of see a playground in the background. There's a little ice cream shop up the way, and they've added new stuff in this park and essentially turned it into a community park. But shout out to my buddy Andrew for coming with me today.
What's going on, guys?
I was able to drag him out on one of my wacky adventures. And also, if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. My buddy Nick was telling me about a bunch of cool places to visit, caves and abandoned in Western Pennsylvania. So keep on checking in for that. And also, if you want a great haircut, go to my buddy Nick. His Instagram handle will be in the description. He literally gave me the best haircut ever. So I'm gonna quit talking, and we're gonna go check this out. So I'm guessing this bridge was around with the original park too. Oh yeah, look. Just over there. Those are the, that's from the roller coaster. I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera, but I'm gonna try and get a little closer look. That is cool. So here's a close-up of what I think is part of the old roller coaster. My mom used to come back here in the day. She told me the roller coaster actually used to go across this little river here. Funny little story. They were going down a steep hill on this roller coaster, her and my grandpa, and his sunglasses and pen and everything just flew out and off the roller coaster. Of course, he never saw those again.
We're gonna look for them now.
Yeah, maybe we'll find my grandpa's pen and sunglasses literally decades later. Wow. That is cool. Like Andrew was pointing out, you can definitely tell how old these are because the bases are still visible. A lot of the newer design bridges don't really have that, do they? Take a peek back here.
A couple feet underneath stream bed. After a while, walk away. That's what's going on here.
Huh. This is way cool.
Oh wow.
So we got some remnants of one of the old roller coasters down there.
Yeah.
It's a little tricky to see. We got the waterfall, which the park is named after. Let's see what other remnants we can find today. So just up the hill here, we have some remnants of the old park. It looks like this old building might have been a concession stand of some sorts. And up ahead here, I think this used to be the old carousel. I should have brought my mom with me today. She would probably know. Looks like they repurposed it for some sort of large picnic shelter. I see people inside. See what else we can find. All right, so we're making our way up the hill. I believe this building used to be part of the old park as well. There were some other structures down there. We had an active ice cream stand going, and that carousel pavilion was being rented out for some sort of family reunion or picnic. So let's see what else is up this way. Cool fact, my dad actually used to come out this way, and he told me he used to work for this guy named Mr. R. They used to own this place, and essentially he came out and worked and did side jobs, cutting grass here, handing out tickets, and just general maintenance and side jobs at the park. And he told me how cool Mr. R was, and back in the day, this was the summer of 1968, he was getting $3 an hour, which is nothing now, but to put it in perspective, my dad said he thinks minimum wage was about $1.15 at that point in time. So he's making great money, and he literally got free rides at the park as well and lunch. So it's a pretty cool summer gig if you ask me. We're gonna head down the hill in a minute, and this used to be the main parking lot to get in this place. I can see the old sign just up there near the road. So, and what's in front of us must have been the old ticket booth. It's crazy to think my dad might have been here back in the day handing out tickets, and now here we are. This is pretty cool. So here's the old sign and the old main entrance to Cascade Park. Bear with me here. I'm exploring this place backwards. I actually parked way down at the bottom of this hill where that white pavilion is. So I'm kind of just freelancing this and seeing what we find, but this is pretty cool. I can only imagine how pretty this was lit up back in the day. Let's see what else we can find. So we got a little old well here, just down from that big white pavilion and the old carousel building. This is pretty cool. It's weird seeing all the new stuff built in here with the old stuff and the old ruins and everything. Interesting. So now we're making our way across the old vehicle bridge. Just up there a ways is the old pedestrian bridge crossing the river here. I think that little bridge we crossed earlier might have been part of the roller coaster track, and then they paved over it. Notice in the background that looks like limestone. I'm really curious if there's any caves along that cliffside or going along this valley.
Oh, you're not getting me to a cave.
Come on, man. It's fun.
Ground, but not a cave.
Not even a peek? They're not so bad. You'll change your mind. So we came down across the vehicle bridge, the old original vehicle bridge, and across another bridge going away from the park, and
Found some prime real estate.
we did. It's even labeled as prime. Unfortunately, it's all filled with trash in there, but I'm guessing this used to be some sort of attraction or ride.
Yeah. All the kite towers, they use a chain link on it. So you still have the hooks on them.
Do they really?
Yeah, take a look. These ones up here both do. That one in front of you does.
Oh yeah. It's interesting.
Slight drop off for the track. Yeah.
So there's a little random abandoned part back here. Someone left their stuff in here.
Someone might live in here.
Yeah, those Clothes actually
There's a lot.
look new.
Yeah.
I don't know what this used to be. Maybe like a pump house below the pool, or
Something like that, yeah.
that's what I'm guessing. Didn't expect to find this on a little side trail. Pretty cool though. So here's the old swimming pool that used to be here. I'm not gonna go inside. I don't think the property managers would appreciate that, but it's pretty eerie seeing this old pool sitting here like that. I can see a diving board at the other end. It's kind of a shame, really, they weren't able to revive this place, bring it back to life. I'm gonna do a little walk around the perimeter, see if there's some side trails and stuff too. Get a little bit better of a view. It's kind of hard to see over this brush, but you can see the old kiddie pool there. Take a peek at the building.
Kiddie pool, baby pool, or what is that?
Yeah. Oh, I see what you mean, the little circular one.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, it's so covered up.
Right.
Yeah, 60-some years ago on a day like today, this place would be loaded with a bunch of people. Now it's just, unfortunately, just sitting here, but it is cool to check out. That's about the extent of it here.